storyteller is called Serenity. Some folks know her as Patricia Red, and she uses her storytelling voice, just like music, to soothe the ferocious beast. See, this is the part where I keep reading. She presents historical, personal, fictional, and biblical tales, but her absolute favorite is the folktale. Now, she's an educator for 30 plus years. Currently, she's director at the Community Schools for the University of Chicago of Social Service Administration. She also uses storytelling when she has retreats and workshops. But tonight's presentation is her inspirational telling of the South American folktale, The Bird of 1,000 Colors. Ladies and gentlemen, all family members. Oh, before I finish, just before I say her name, how many of you all received that brand new phone for your birthday or something like that, for Christmas or a holiday, or maybe a graduation gift? You know that phone you got? Turn that phone off for me. Put it on vibrate, mute, quiet, something like that. Feel free to take some photos if you want to, yeah? You can tweet that you're here, yeah? But during the course of the story, make sure you're hearing more story than tweeting. That's all I'm going to say about that. Ladies and gentlemen, Serenity!
Do unto others as you would
have do unto you.
Beauty is as
Beauty does.
What goes around
Comes around.
All right, you have just passed Serenity Storytelling 101. Give yourselves a hand. Folktales, they have a way of making the truth plain and simple to understand about life's circumstances. And for me, the story that I will tell you tonight helps and restores my faith that there are those who will do what is right and what is just. And a long time ago, when the creatures and all those things on the earth could talk, this is what happened. No one in all of the forest had ever seen such a beautiful bird. I mean, he was small, but his feathers glistened in the sunlight like nothing you had ever seen. Well, some thought that he looked like the catsel. That bird, by the way, would become the national bird of Guatemala. And some argued that his feathers were as beautiful as the flowers. And others, well, they proclaimed that his feathers were as beautiful as the butterflies. And while they could not come to a consensus on just how beautiful his feathers were, what they all did agree on is that it seemed like his feathers reflected 1,000 different colors in the sunlight.